Welcome back to my channel. So today I got a mystery box from the Private Society. Yes, again, Private Society. Honestly, I really loved everything that I got in my haul, and I thought their products were absolutely amazing. So I found out they had a mystery box, a $75 mystery box that was supposed to have around $300 worth of product. And I looked at it and I was like, yes, please. So that is what we are doing today. Now I have opened it a little bit, but I'm not doing the overhead like I do with my beauty boxes because I want you to be surprised with me. So let's go ahead and see all the lovelies inside. All right, so first thing, Key Essentials palette. I am not opening this up because it is either going to go to a friend or a giveaway. I'm not really sure yet, but you'll know when I do the giveaway for sure what's going to be in it or not. I think it might go to a friend. So I'm going to put that aside, but I'm going to show you what it is because I did pull mine out, and that was this palette right here. And this was in the haul videos, but I'm going to show it to you anyways, and I've been using it. And I can tell you, because I've been using it, that it is absolutely wonderful. And it's, you know, I don't think the swatches are going to make much of a difference, but I'm putting it on my hand anyway. See, you can't see the swatches too much, but anyways, it has a bronzer, a blush, a highlighter, and a setting powder in it. And I thought I wasn't going to use this much because of the fact that, like, for me, it just seems like a really good travel palette. However, it's also really great when you're in a hurry. So, love this palette. Do recommend. And the next palette is this one here. And I recently recorded a first impressions of it. It's actually recorded it earlier today, and I have it on right now. Well, I'm not going to tell you everything I said in the first impressions if you haven't watched it already, but what I will tell you is how it wore today, because this was the first time I've wore it completely. And if you look at it up close there, you can see no creasing. Absolutely no creasing. And I'm loving that. So I will swatch this, because these colors are just really great. I think I've swatched this palette more than I've wore it so far, which is really kind of funny, but that will change. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. Do you see how beautiful and lovely they are? I just really love it, and it wears so wonderful. Let me look at that one right there. That is probably my favorite one, and that is Paparazzi. So gorgeous. Love those colors. So there was one more palette in this, and that was the Secret Admirer palette. This is probably going to go to a friend. So one of these palettes is for sure going in the next giveaway. The other two are probably going to go to a friend of mine. So putting that aside. But this is the Secret Admirer palette. I so love that. Look how pretty that is. And then open it up, and that is the inside. And I've been using this too, and I do love the colors on this. I know I keep saying that, but like, I've really been quite impressed with this brand so far. Really impressed, actually. Alright, so those are the colors. And again, these colors, all these three palettes, I already unboxed in my haul video, so you can go ahead and watch that if you haven't already. But that is that palette. I do absolutely love these palettes. I think they're gorgeous and adorable, and colors work so well, and yes. So now we're going to get into the other products that was in it, and there's quite a bit. You see here? Yeah. I took them out of the plastic wrapping already just because I didn't want to deal with it. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is a lip lock color in Salty. Now I have been using their lips, and I don't have this color, so excited about that if I can get it out. Okay, so this is the lip color. And what I can tell you about these lips is they wear like a dream. They don't feel cakey throughout the day. When you need to reapply, you don't feel like you have to wipe them off to reapply. You don't feel like you're building on top of more product, so it wears beautifully. Okay, so we have another liquid lip, and this is Cabana. And I don't have Cabana. Now I have Cabana. This is Cabana. I like this color. Look at that. Okay, so now we've got some glosses. This one is Plush. There is that one. You can see it up close. There you go. That is Plush right down here. And there is one more lip color, and I think this one might go to my friend as well because she does like these kinds of colors, so I have to see if she wants it. But this one is Barbie, and I already have that one, and that's what it looks like. I already know I love this one. In fact, I've wore it recently. See it? That is Barbie. So these two are liquid lips, and these two are glosses, and they just are dreams. Absolute dreams to wear. So these are the 4 colors in this. Alright, so now we have other stuff. Okay, we have a long-lasting lip liner, and I have not tried any other lip liners, so that'll be fun. This one is in Bad Habit. Look at that packaging. Love, 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 love. Alright, that is Bad Habit right there. And this one is Lit. Another another lip liner. Okay, so this bottom one here is Lit. I think that is it of my lip. Yep, that is it of my liners. Okay, this is a double-ended contour stick. We all know how I feel about contour, but I do use it sometimes. Actually, I do use contour regularly. I just don't do it heavily. So this is the double-ended contour stick. Let's pull that out. Okay, so this is actually a really good color on me. Let's swipe that on me. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that will definitely take some blending. I don't have any cream contouring, so this will be fun for me to play with. Okay, so there is the contouring, the dark and the light. Okay, so that seems like a little bit of a contrast for me. The next thing I have here is a Pro Liquid Liner, and I do already have that, so I'm not opening this. I might end up keeping this, I don't know, because I really like this liner, and if I get duplicates of a item that I really like that I know I might go through fast, like liner or gloss or skincare, I'll keep it. But if I have more than like one duplicate, then I tend to pass them along because I don't really think I need to keep more than that. I think that's just a little excessive. Alright, the next thing I have here is Metal and Matte 3-in-1 double-ended liquid lip. So this is different. Okay, so that is what this looks like right here. I do like the pink. And there's the pink. Okay, so this is more of a gloss, and this could go on top, so see that right there? That's really pretty. Look at that. Let me put a little bit at the tail end just so we can see. Oops. Okay, maybe that wasn't a good idea. So that was dumb because now I got this pink on here and whatever. I have to live with it. And you know, because really you need to make sure your liquid lips are dried down before you put the color on top. And I did not do that. I was just way too excited. But yeah, it's pretty. So then the next item I have here is a Plumper. It's a Shine and Plump lip cover. And I do have that one already. And I don't know if I'm going to keep this or give it away because I do use these sometimes. And sometimes you just want a clear gloss. And when you start losing collagen in your lips, it's actually not bad to put a lip plumper on because it does stretch out your lips a little bit and stop some of the bleeding. But other thing for those of you who don't know who have collagen issues, if you line your lips before you put on your lipstick, before you put on your glosses, it helps keep your lip products from bleeding. So remember that. That's what they're there for. So there is one more item I have in this mystery box, and it is Get Set Face Powder. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about this setting powder because I don't think this is the right color for me. Look at that. I mean, on camera it looks okay. Okay, maybe it was just shadows because now I'm looking at it and it looks like it'll be fine. Okay, so the setting powder is a shade dark for my skin, but I think it's gonna be fine because some foundations are a little too light, some are a little too dark, but like when I put on one that's a little too light, I think this will help even and balance out my skin tone color, so not so mad about that after all. Anyways, that is it of my mystery box from Private Society. Let me know what your favorite product in this box was. If you like this video, please do not forget to like. Totally helps me out, and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.